Hi, I'm Diane Grover, Cosmetic Chemist Trainer and Assessor here with the Institute of Personal Care Science. Today, I'm going to show you how to make a glow-up illuminating mist. Now let me show you just how easy it is. Today we are making this glow-up illuminating facial mist, which has a skin brightening active in it, as well as some niacinamide and mica for some extra illumination. The active that we are using in today's illuminating facial mist is Sepia White MSH by Sepic. This active has a very specific formulating method which requires heat and a slightly alkaline pH. So we will start today's formula by raising the pH of our water phase to just over pH 7 and heating the alkaline water to around 70 degrees before adding and dissolving the Sepia White MSH. While I'm waiting for that to heat up, I'm just going to create a little slurry with some sclerotium gum and some humectant. Normally you wouldn't add a rheology modifier in a mist product, but I want to add in just a little bit of mica for instant sparkle at the end, so I'll need something to suspend those pigments. I'm also going to add a touch of fragrance to my mist, so I'll need to solubilize the fragrance in a little bit of non-ionic surfactant before adding it to the mix. So I'll do that while I'm waiting for the water to heat up. Sepia White MSH has in vivo efficacy data for skin brightening effects when used at 2% in leave-on products for 7 days. So you could add this to a cream or a serum. I've decided to do a mist, so you can add it to your skincare routine without changing your products. You can spray this onto your face without any makeup for luminous skin, or you can spray it on before applying your makeup. Now that my water phase is 70 degrees, I can add the Sepia White MSH and dissolve it in the hot alkaline water. Now we're just going to take it off the heat and allow it to cool down to below 65 degrees before we add in some niacinamide. The reason that we allow it to cool before adding in the niacinamide rather than just popping it in the water phase and dissolving together with the Sepia White is that niacinamide can degrade at temperatures above 70 degrees, so we want to make sure we cool that down a little bit. Now that it's below 65 degrees, we can add in the niacinamide and our pre-mixed slurry. Sclerotium gum requires high shear to hydrate, so I'm just going to pop that on the homogenizer until that's fully hydrated. While that's still on the homogenizer, I'm going to add in my solubilized fragrance. Now that that's mixed together all nicely, I'll just take it off the homogenizer and we'll just mix in the preservative and some mica for some instant radiance, just under low shear. Then we can check and adjust the pH of our face mist to around 5 to 5.5 to soothe the skin. So you can see the pigment suspended nicely in the mist, and it's not a gel. We haven't put enough rheology modifier in it to turn it into a serum. It's still sprayable. So let's pull that off. And then we have a glow up illuminating facial mist. We can spray on for bright glowing skin before we add our makeup. See? And that's how easy it is to make a glow up illuminating mist. If you like today's formula, give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below. Don't forget to subscribe to receive notifications on videos like this, and email us at info@personalcarescience.com.au for all our free formulas. Happy formulating!